how did the former president celebrated his the
His
Christmas
Christmas.
season? Yes, his Christmas.
Well, he is a very social person depending on the crowd. So if he doesn't feel the crowd, he prefers to be alone. Inside, he does have some acquaintances, but not everyone. So he was with them for a meal, for a bit, for certain meals. He didn't mention in specific, but he ate with his acquaintances or friends inside, and then ayun na, for the most part, he spent it talking to the guards, walking around, or in his room watching television.
Do you have a New Year's resolution, perhaps, that you want to share to everyone?
Year's resolution. Sa pa man, gapan ako, namayak ako.
Correct. Na nasa imutan.
Good afternoon.
How are you today?
I'm okay. The visit went well today. I was with my sister Mira. It's their first time seeing each other again. Mira and our dad for
Almost 10 months.
Yes,
Yeah.
almost 10 months. So, ayun, the moment we saw him, we shouted as usual, and then Mira ran to him and then gave him a big hug and a kiss. And then medyo matagal yung kiss. I think dala na rin ng longing and all of these emotions, you know. She's a smart girl, so although she does not understand everything, she has a concept of, you know, what's happening.
Kit, is it possible for you to share to us what was the first reaction of the former president seeing Mira for the first time?
He had a different smile and a different kind of look in his eyes when he saw Mira. You know, he's been looking for her for the longest time. We all know that. Every time he calls or every visit, he looks for her. He looks for her and, you know, asks about her. When is she visiting? When is she coming? And then we always have to tell him, you know, she has school. Of course, we don't want everything that's happening to affect her life as well. I myself, I'm protecting her as best I can, and I'm making certain that life goes on for her.
Kitty, is it possible for you also to share how did the former president celebrated his the
His
Christmas
Christmas.
season? Yes, his Christmas.
Well, he is a very social person depending on the crowd. So if he doesn't feel the crowd, he prefers to be alone. Inside, he does have some acquaintances, but not everyone. So he was with them for a meal, for a bit, for certain meals. He didn't mention in specific, but he ate with his acquaintances or friends inside, and then ayun na, for the most part, he spent it talking to the guards, walking around, or in his room watching television pa rin.
Nag-prepare bang ICC detention ng something for...
I don't think the detention unit mismo, but as of what I've heard, yung mga detainees, they make their own events or celebrations inside.
Kit, how does it feel like to celebrate Christmas like this with your father, celebrating it separately, but eventually seeing them after the Christmas season?
It's hard, you know, but well, in life, we have to learn to adjust and adapt to whatever situation or whatever cards we're dealt with. So that's just what I'm doing right now.
And how about your Christmas, Kitty? How did you celebrate your Christmas here in the
My
Netherlands?
Christmas was okay. Saan ba ako ng Christmas? I was with a few friends, pero umuwi din ako. I'm not the biggest extrovert, so I'm not the biggest fan of crowds. So, what do you call this? Parang midnight and the Christmas day mismo, I spent it alone. Well, I like it actually. So yeah, I still enjoy it nonetheless.
Is it also safe to assume that you're also going to celebrate New Year here in the Netherlands?
Like I mentioned before, we don't have visits on the day mismo. So maybe in the Netherlands, yes, but not here with him.
But the former president is also aware that he will be
Yes.
celebrating the New Year. Is there something specific that he wants to relate to the Filipino people now that it's already after Christmas season and then for the New Year time?
Trying to remember
New Year's
his
time.
message. Pero I told him something. I told him a quote. There was I think it was by, just to, you know, uplift him and strengthen his spirit. I said, it's a quote from Virgil, the Roman poet. I said, "The gates of hell are open night and day. Smooth the descent, easy is the way. But to come back and view the cheerful skies, in this the task and mighty labor lies. So, you know, PRRD is very poetic as well. So he understood it straight away. And then he said, you know, don't worry about me, it's okay. He said, no, that this is the price I have to pay because I saved, you know, my country and the youth. And then I replied again na, you know, they know, they know. I said, yeah, I'm sure that they know, that you guys know. So, ayun, parang may, alam mo yung poetic exchange of ano lang. Ganun siya magsalita. He talks in rhetorics, ganun.
Is the former president still aware that there are still Filipinos coming from all over the world?
Yes,
Still
he knows,
okay.
he knows. And, ayun nga, he's very happy about it. And sabi niya nga noon, and paminsan-minsan na sabihan mo, hindi ako makalabas pa. Kaya, ano, pero he knows and he feels very grateful to everyone. And like he always says, for his family and for the Filipino people, love to all. Love to all.
Are there questions from the crowd that you want to ask?
Uy, te, salamat kayo sa kuwan.
Okay.
Ay, Bisaya.
Bisaya siya. But Kit, on behalf of the Filipino community from all over the world, we would like to convey our Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to the Duterte family in general.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all.
Thank you.
Christmas.
Do you have
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays? Do you have a New Year's resolution perhaps that you want to share to everyone?
New Year's resolution. Sa pa man, gapan ako, namayan ako.
Correct. Na nasa imutan.
New Year's resolution. Sa ba akong resolution?
Probably something to think about for tomorrow.
Siguro.
Okay.
Wala pa ko kakuan. Wala, siguro ko ano lang. Ako New Year's resolution. I-maintain na lang niya ako lawas. Hindi ako magtatampo.
Thank you, Kit. Mabuhay ka.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mabuhay kayong lahat.
Thank you. Photo ops from people. Sino pang mga first timer
May
guys?
tawag ani. Hindi mo daw ulan, di ba? Na may tawag ani.
Ano lang, wet snow. I think it's wet snow. Unsa man na siya? Unsa man din?
Tawag ani in Dutch.
Umog.
Itudluan ko ni Kwame, Yulia, anak ni Ate Connie.
Unsa man? Umog.
Ha?
Umog.
Dili, uy.
Ano? Vaterek of what? I don't know.
Ay, ambot.
Misty, I know. Dili po misty.
Mali.
Picture na lang takit.
Oh,
Taligsik. Tinan